So good evening traders. So we are gonna make a top-down multi-time frame analysis on Usdjpy. So before that, let's see what's happening, what's going on in our with our recent analysis that we just posted. I'm currently long in gold. I have a position somewhere around here, risking around 0.5% of my equity, and I'm holding this position. I'm planning to secure if this trade play out as expected. I'm planning to secure around 75% of my position somewhere around this level. I also have USD Euro JB USD in my watch list. I actually got stopped out in the morning. Like I went long during pre-London Open, and the position actually got stopped out. So I'm down by 0.5% for the day. And what I'm looking for right now in this NY session, price is showing us some really good bullish strength. So I'm looking for a correction back downside. We can spot a 1 hourly structural shift into this area. So what I'm planning just a little correction, and then I'm planning to get involved into this trade, and I'm trying to ride it towards this level. So let's make a top-down analysis on USD JPY. In the monthly time frame, price is still inside the range of the previous month. Price cleared this low, failed to make a new higher high, and right now it's dropping, possibly going towards this level. So this is my HPL, high probability liquidity in the monthly time frame. Uh, if we drop off Fibonacci into this one, we're currently at 38.2% of this impulsive move to the downside. So it's definitely a good area to look for short. In the weekly perspective, this is the last resistance, last support that's working as a resistance right now. It actually gets tested before, but it after showing a good rejection downside, it's now correcting back upside toward this level. So obviously EV, the expected value is a little lower than the first one in this area, but still we can look for short. Okay, one thing I can spot is this shift in structure. So if we drop our Fibonacci into this impulsive move to the downside, we're currently rejecting from the optimal trade into level like 78.6% and above, this kind of levels. So what I'm planning to look for a 4 hourly structural shift. uh 4 hour structure is not that clear actually. I'm waiting for price to drop below this low, and then I will look for short after a little correction to the upside. uh, i'm gonna I'm gonna look for short in USD JPY. So that's my views on USD JPY. I'm looking for a structural shift, then I will wait for a correction, and I'm gonna target toward this monthly HPL. Even though the only problem with this whole setup is that we have only 7 days left for this monthly candle to close, and if this candle close like uh, something like this, then it's highly possible that next monthly candle will open and trade back higher towards this level. So what I really want to see a good rejection to the downside in next 7 days in order to actually target like in order to actually confidently hold my positions towards this level. So this monthly candle is really important for me, as it's also a insider bar and inside the previous month's range. So let's see what's going what how it unfolds. Okay, so what I'm looking for a correction back downside, a break of structure in the 1 hour time frame, then I'm looking for short. So that's my views on USD JPY.